Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. If you guys are stopping by, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you join my family. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button and welcome. Today's video is going to be another affordable slash drugstore makeup review. So I saw on Trendmood, I saw that BH Cosmetics released the new brunch over everything makeup collection, and when I saw this collection, oh my god, I just knew that I had to order everything. So I went onto the BH Cosmetics website like the day after that they released this collection, and I pretty much ordered everything. Now that I'm looking back and looking at my order, I don't know where my brain was, you guys. This second trimester is really hitting me. I've noticed such a difference. I now have pregnancy brain. Like, oh my god, I forget the simplest things. I forget where I put them away. I forget to take things. It's been really bad. My brain just has been totally scattered. So unfortunately, the only thing that I am missing from the entire collection is their Belgian Waffle 6-color baked bronzer and highlight, which I really wanted because I love bronzers and highlights. So let's go ahead and get into this collection because we have some goodies to go through. And if you guys want to see this entire collection, make sure you guys just keep on watching. Okay, let's go ahead and get straight into the collection. So first things first, I ordered both of the palettes. I really couldn't decide what palette to go with, so I was like, let me order both. This is their new BH Mimosa 16-color shadow palettes. Now, BH Cosmetic palettes are actually really good. I feel like with time, they've definitely improved the quality. It is currently at $14.40, which is not bad at all. This is the packaging, which is so adorable. I love all the mimosas. Girl, I love me a good mimosa. Obviously, I can't drink right now because yo sis is pregnant. But when you open it, it comes with a nice little mirror. These are the cardboard packaging, which they're not going to be the best quality, but I don't travel a lot, so I don't mind it. When you open it, you get such a burst of mimosas, of summer, of spring, of just yumminess. This is going to be your more colorful eyeshadow. These shades are just gorgeous. Peach is really, really trendy right now as well, so love this one. The second one is the new Avocado Toast 16-color shadow palette. Now this one retails for the same price, $14.40, and look at how cute this is. How cute with the little pan and your little avocado. This is so cute. Fun fact, I'm actually not a big fan of avocado. I know. Anytime I say that to anybody, it's like, what? You don't like avocado? I do like avocado, but very small amounts. I can't just sit down and like eat an avocado on its own, or I can't have too much. I don't know, I'm weird, but anyways, and when you open it, same thing. You also get a nice mirror, but this one is definitely a little more warm tone. So you get tons of greens. Obviously, what could you expect from an avocado palette? You also get some shimmer shades, the matte ones, and then you get more deeper shades on this side. Next item is probably one of the things that I was really excited about this collection. This is the Bellini 6-color blush palette, and this one retails for $14.40. And this has just beautiful peaches all over it. This is such a cute palette. So when you open it, this one as well comes with a nice size mirror, and then you get your 6 blushes. This is everybody's or anybody's peachy blush palette dream. Like, look at how many shades of peach you get. So you start off really light, and then obviously it goes really deep, which I love that because this will suit so many skin tones. You can mix them all. Oh my god, my heart is content with this blush palette. Next up, I picked up the Weekend Vibes So Extra Chai Latte High Shine Plumping Lip Gloss Duo. So you have the choice of ordering the Chai Latte, which is the one that I have, obviously a more nude, or the Bloody Mary. The Bloody Mary is going to come with a red and a white, and Chai Latte comes with a nude pink and a very pretty, like, sparkly glossy pink, which I will show you guys swatches or once I apply them on the lips. And like I said, these retail for $9.60. I'm not sure if I mentioned the price. The Brunch Bunch 11-piece brush set. These are currently retailing for $22.40, which is crazy affordable. I've been wanting to get some new brushes. Not that I need them, but I've been wanting to get some new brushes. I did already use this one for foundation because I wanted to test it out, since I don't have a foundation to test out for you guys. But the rest of the brushes, we are going to be using them. And look at how cute the handle is. It's like a very light, peachy apricot color. Oh my god, the quality on these, you guys. I wish you can feel them. They're so sturdy and like heavy. They're beautiful. I love Beach Cosmetics brushes. They're just really good quality. Since I forgot to order the bronzer and highlight set, which I am still bummed about, let's go in with the Weekend Vibes one brush, which looks like this. I'm probably going to use this one for applying the blush as well. I'm going to go in with this MAC Dark Deep bronzer. Girl, this this bronzer is so old. It's probably like hella expired, but I'll still use it. And ooh, these bristles are so soft. If you guys are looking into a new brush set, seriously, like not specifically this one, but any brush set from Beach Cosmetics, their brushes are just really good quality for a decent price. Because if you go anywhere else to any other website, you're gonna pay at least $100 for like an entire brush set, and this one comes with face brushes and eye brushes, which you just can't go wrong. This brush, you can use it as an overall face brush for like setting your face. If you're into that, you can use it for bronzing, you can use it for blush. I love me a good multitasking brush. I'm gonna go in with the blush palette. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Just Peachy, which is the middle one, and Peachy, or Peach Please. And all of these have a peach name. Georgia Peach, Just Peachy, Peachy Keen, Peach of Cake, Life's a Peach, and Peach Please. And look at the pigmentation. So, ooh, she is pigmented. Oh my gosh. Try to convince me to use any other color of a blush. I dare you. I don't see a specific highlighter brush in this set. I mean, maybe this one, but I would probably use this one for dusting off like the bakage underneath the eyes, or to actually just bake. But I'm just going to use this to highlight. I'm going to go in with a highlighter that I just have sitting here because obviously I forgot to order the highlight palette. I am so bummed out. I literally thought I had added it to my cart and I don't know what happened. I'm telling you guys, my brain is just like all over the place these days. So now let's jump into the eyes. This is the hard part. Do I want to do two looks and look like a crazy woman with one peach, one green, or should we just stick with one? All right, let's start with the avocado or avocado toast palette. And I think I'm going to start off with this brush right here. This is the number 5 brush. And let's take Avo Toast, which is the green. It's like a soft lime green. Oh my gosh, look at that pigmentation. And I am going to take that and apply it right here. Ooh! Okay. Wow. I am quickly going to switch brushes. I'm going to take now the brush number 6. I'm going to go into the Mimosa palette and take the shade Chilled, which is the just plain white shade. And I'm going to run that through the brow bone. Oh my god, you guys. These are so pigmented. Wow. I'm going to take a little bit of Over Easy, which is this yolky yellow shade. And I'm just going to use the same number 8 brush and just apply it at the very edge of the crease, just to further diffuse that nice greenish avocado color. I'm going to take the shade Ripe, which is right next to Avocado Toast. It's just a little deeper, and I'm going to throw that into the crease. Oh, this is a really pretty green. I'm just going to keep on going. I'm going to take the shade Superfood, which is a even deeper green. And again, just using that same brush. Why get any more dirty? So again, this is the number 5. And I'm going to take that just on the tip of the brush and place it right here. This is going to deepen up the shadow a little bit more. Guys, this palette is absolutely amazing. Like, all these shades are just so creamy. They blend so nicely. There's no patchiness. They just blend like a dream. Okay, let's use one last shade, and that's going to be the shade Pit, which is the dark brown in the palette, just to add a little more contrast. Oh my gosh, these are so pigmented. Just to add a little more contrast. I'm only going to add it right here. That is a gorgeous brown. I feel like a little avocado with this. I'm only going to add it here, and I am using the number 9 brush. I hope you guys don't mind how many shadows I'm using, but I'm just really trying to get a feel for this palette and use as many shades as I can. So the last one that I'm going to go in as far as the matte is the Paprika shade. And I'm going to use the same one, the number 6. This brush is really good. I'm in love with this collection already. So I'm going to take a little bit of Paprika, which is a gorgeous like sienna brown. And I'm just going to apply this right here. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this palette. I'm going to take the number 6 brush and I'm going to get it a little bit wet. I'm going to take the shade Has, or Haas, however. I feel like I know what this word means, but I can't think of the meaning right now, which is, oh my god, a gorgeous green. And I'm going to pack that into the inner corner. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this shadow is beautiful. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of Avocado. So clever. And I am just going to pack, oh my god, these are so gorgeous, you guys. And I'm going to pack that into the inner part of the eye, just to create like a really pretty like ombre from that green. Ooh, I love that. That has slightly green undertones, like very little. Oh my god, I love this. It is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to work on the lower lash line. All I'm going to do is repeat the same steps, not use all the greens because it's a little unnecessary. But I am going to go in with Superfood and Avocado and a little bit of Paprika. Just to blow out the lower lash line. I'm going to pop on some lashes and then we can come back and try on the lip glosses. For the lower lash line, I actually ended up not doing anything green. I just felt like it looked better. So I went in with Pit, Paprika, and I actually used a little bit of pink salt just on the very like lower lash line, or just like the bottom, just to really blow everything out and like smoke it out. So for my lip liner, I just used this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London, which is a softer brown, because I want to use these on the lips. So I'm first going to go in with the shade Caffeinated, which is a really pretty like mauve pink nude. That is a really pretty shade. It's almost like Your Lips, but better. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Extra Foam. And this one is a really pretty like tangerine, but it has sparkles with like pink. It's really pretty. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna mist my skin with a little setting spray. Where do I even begin with this collection, you guys? Oh my god. I am obsessed with the way this look turned out. I think this is one of my favorite green looks I've ever created. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god. If you guys are a fan of Beach Cosmetics, I think this is a collection you should not sleep on. The brushes, wow, I'm just like blown away. All these brushes are just bomb, so bomb. I can't say enough good things. The lip glosses, super cute, very juicy. Your lips look very just like plump and glossy. Love that. And obviously, you guys know what I'm going to say about these palettes. I didn't get a chance to play with this one, but I will definitely be doing a drugstore tutorial with this one. But if this is anything like this, it already has my heart stolen. I am so obsessed with this Avocado Toast palette. It is so gorgeous. And of course, the peach blush palette is definitely like my new go-to. So I really hope you guys enjoyed a review on this entire brunch lunch collection by BH Cosmetics. I am just obsessed with every single thing. Run to BH Cosmetics and get yourself some of these things because everything honestly is worth it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do recreate this look, as always, make sure you tag me on your Instagram or send me your picture through my DM and I will show you guys some love by reposting your picture. I love you guys so much. Be safe, and until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!